We just explored the spread operator, which makes it significantly more concise when having to handle concatenating arrays with the spread ... syntax. Now we'll look at another ES6 improvement for extracting into arrays or objects with destructuring assignment. Destructuring assignment allows us to extract data from arrays or objects into separate variables. Let's explore this now. Say I had an array of C with two values, 100 and 200. Now I want two distinct variables using this array to respectively equal 100 and 200. And normally it would be just as easy as saying let A equal C0 and let B equal C1. And as we console.log AB, we should see our correct values. And there we go, 100 and 200. However, destructuring assignment enables us to shorten these two lines down into one. So it becomes as easy as saying let A, B equal C. And as we save, you notice that we still have the same values. It's super simple, yet a little weird to see at first. Essentially, we're assigning both A and B at once. It looks at its order in the assignment array and just matches to the elements in C in that order. So A is the 0th or the first element on the left, so grabs the first element of C. And B is the second element, so grabs the second element of C over here. Let's examine another example of destructuring assignment just to reinforce how this works. Consider we had an array of strings. Let's call this a fellowship. And then we're going to have Frodo, Gandalf, and Aragorn. Now, those of you familiar with Lord of the Rings will know that we have a few names missing from the list. Still, let's use this array to illustrate array destructuring again. Let's grab three variables at once. I'm going to say Hobbit, Wizard, Ranger equals this fellowship array. And then as we console.log Hobbit, Wizard, Ranger, we see all the names of our heroes. Precious. Now there's so much more to destructuring assignment. Let's look at a final example that grabs values using destructuring assignment and also has a spread operator within it. Let's suppose C is even longer now. And we're going to call it 100, 200, 300, 400, and one last one, 500. Now, what if I want to have a variable A just equal to 100, and then I want an array B equal to the values that are the rest of them, so 200, 300, 400, 500. Well, I can just simply say let A equal that first element in the C array, and then I'm going to spread on the rest of them into a variable B. And as we console.log A, B, we see the values that we desired. Awesome. Now that you've seen destructuring assignment on arrays, let's move on.